If you're looking for inspiration to make your next headband on a Centro or any circular knitting machine you have, then this is the video for you. In this video, I'm going to be showing you 47 different types of headbands you can make on your circular knitting machine. And this is because I like to research a lot when I make my patterns. If you know my channel, and if you've been here before, you're gonna see that I have a lot of different tutorials for circular knitting machines, even mixing it with crochet squares and everything. So if you like that, make sure you check my channel to see everything I have. I have a lot of different patterns you can make for this next winter. But today we're gonna be talking about only headbands, okay? So if you are making headbands, I think the best circular knitting machines, if you don't know still which one to buy, I think it's the 40 needles for headbands, okay? You can also use the 32 needles. They're perfect for that. But I think the Centro 48 and the Adi 46, which are the two machines that are that most people buy, they make a little bit too wide panels. So if you're looking to make headbands and you still don't know which machine you're gonna get the 40 needles ones, okay, or 32 needles. And if making for kids, make sure you get the 22 needles Adi knitting machine. Is a better quality than the Centro 22. Okay, so let's get into it. And at the end of this video, I'm going to share also a headband that I made with a ponytail on the back. And also down the description below, I'm going to add a link where I'm gonna share the picture and the designer name on the side, and also the tutorial where you can follow and choose the one you like and just make it. So let's see which headbands I chose for today. I'm gonna press play here on my video. So starting with beginners, the first headband you should make if you haven't made one yet is the twist headband. And this is a great tutorial to start with because she explains very well the number of rows and everything. This is another very easy headband to make. It's just cinch both ends and then just attach them together and you have a headband. Very easy to make. This is a pattern for people that like American football, and it has all the stripes for all the different football teams. This one's twisted on the top and then cinched on and then seamed on the bottom, so it makes that twist on the top. It's really cool design as well. I like this one because of the colors it has. The yarn is beautiful, and so these rainbow colors, I love rainbow colors. This is another kind of rainbow one, LGBT one. If you want to make it like it's another option, twisted as well. And I think it's really cute. This is another twisted headband design with a beautiful color of yarn that I just chose because I love that colors of yarn. Beautiful. And this one you can make as well, have one color, have another color. They look really cute as well, and they are easy to make for beginners, okay? Now, texture patterns. So here are a few texture headbands that I want to show you guys that are really cool and also quite easy to make. This is a headband that's made on the Centro 48 because you need all the panel to be wide, okay, for it to fit on your head, and involves the wrapping of yarn on your needles. This one is a braided headband that's really cool. It's just drop stitches in two different parts of the headband. This is another one that's textured by wrapping the yarn around the needles. It's a beautiful design. This one's lovely. And this is another headband that's made on a Centro 48 probably, and then involves you have to remove it and remake the stitches to get that type of texture. Okay, this is another beautiful pattern as well. I love the yellow color. So with this texture designs, it's important to use a lighter color. So when you actually wear it, people can see the design and the different stitches that you use. Otherwise, if you make it really dark, it's really hard to see the stitches, so be aware of that. So let's go to the next one. I separated a few ear warmers or headbands for babies and kids that you're gonna love. The first one is cinched both ends and just a different multicolored yarn here and a solid color here. Beautiful design by Koala Knits and X. That's another cinched one. And this one has Fair Isle in one side, which I think is really cute as well. They are all made on the Centro 22, and that's why the tube's really not that thick, okay? This is another beautiful one that I'm making. I think I'm gonna make for my next tutorial. So make sure you subscribe to my channel to have a look at that one. This one's made by hand, but I think it's really cute as well. So I separate some of them that I'm gonna show you here. They are made by hand, but they can also be made on a circular knitting machine, which is the case of this one as well, okay? So this one can be made on a Centro 40 circular knitting machine as well, okay? And this is a beautiful one with applique. I love the flowers, like super cute ear warmer. You can make on your centro and then add the flowers, the crochet flowers on the top. Same with this one, you can make on a Centro 48 because again it's a tube and it's not made this way, it's made this way. And you can add the rows on the top. And this Diana Levine video you can follow as well, and she made the flower as well on a circular knitting machine, so you can make the flower on your circular knitting machine. Now, other designs of headbands that I found you can make on a circular knitting machine, and this one is the heart shape. It's a beautiful design that you actually buy a metal shaped heart and you add in the middle. This one's made on a tube, so Centro 48 for this one, you make the tube and you just go and then you just put something in the middle to close it. It's really cool. This is plate and it's made in Centro 22 tubes, and then you make the braid after you finish the tubes. This one's made by me and is just braided as well. This one has a bow in the middle. This is made on a Centro 22 and it's very small and cute for kids. You can make for kids this one. This is another one that can be made for kids or adults. It's a super cute design with this bow in the middle, and you can use the texture stitch on the bottom. So for this one, you make 2 tubes and then you join them together and make a knot. It's a really cute design as well. This one's made by me. It's a ponytail headband with a braid as well. So you add an elastic on the bottom so you can put your hair through it. It's really cute. This one is handmade, okay? But you can also make on a circular knitting machine. Probably the 48 is the best option for this beautiful, super cute headband. And now Fair Isle. I love Fair Isle. Oh, I think you guys know that. I just made the Fair Isle headband and I'm going to be sharing on the next week. So you guys just subscribe to my channel to see me making this Fair Isle headband on the next one. And this Fair Isle twisted headband you can make on a Centro knitting machine. It's a beautiful design. I think I really like how it's the color combination and that's a Christmas one with little heart shaped that you also can make on a Centro 40 and then just seam on the top. This is another one with the checkerboard design that you can make on a Centro 48 for this one, because again it's a tube going this way, and that's the same thing for this one, okay? It's a Fair Isle with the little hearts. It's really cute. This is handmade, but you can also make on your Centro knitting machine. And this is a beautiful design, feral design. I'm not too sure if this is made on the machine or not. I think you can probably make on the machine, and this is a beautiful 4th of July headband that I think is really cute as well. I really like the American flag colors. Well, embroidery. So you can make embroidery, you can embroider on top of your headbands if you want to make something different. And this one is just made after you add the fur yarn, after you finish your headbands, really cute. This is crochet on top. This is called the pudging pattern, Christmas pudging pattern. It's really cute. You add the two little things on the top. This one's handmade, okay, but you can easily make this on your Centro 48 knitting machine and then just embroider the leaves on the top. I think it's really beautiful. Yeah, I just think that embroidering your Centro or circular knitting machine designs can make them look so much more handmade and give them much better look and unique style as well. So that's a great option for you as well if you want to make something different, even to sell on markets and that. And lastly, I want to show you some cup cozies that I found that they are very similar to headbands, and that's why I shared here. This is the first one of them. Again, you cinch both ends. They're all made on a Centro 22, okay? So you cinch both ends and you add the little bottom in the middle. I think it's really cute how she did it. This is a cup cozy for, again, Christmas colors. You can make as a gift for Christmas or something like that. Super cute design as well. This one's probably made by hand, I would think, but you can also choose this idea, just get this idea and use on your circular knitting machine as well. All Centro 22s, okay, to make little things like this. This is another Christmas great design idea that I chose and that you guys can make in only a few minutes as well. Okay, so these are my picks for headbands. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. My name is Fabiana and I'm always here making Centro knitting machine patterns and also crochet patterns that I like to share with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy your week and have a great day today. Thank you for watching and I see you on the next tutorial or video with ideas for you guys.